I'm joined by Gotham from Frost & Sullivan, and we're on the ZTE stand at Mobile World Congress. Hello, Gotham.
Hi, Ken. How you doing?
Hi. Now, I understand Frost & Sullivan have awarded ZTE a global award for Telecom Power products.
That is right.
A leadership position. What were the key sort of elements in that selection? Maybe just explain what that's all about.
Sure, absolutely. So just before I go into the sort of the key elements that were that led to ZTE winning this award, I think to set the context. So when this is the global product leadership award that we do, and for the product leadership award in the telecom power market, what we do is we look at two key aspects when we evaluate the companies on. So the first one is we look at the product portfolio attributes, and then we look at the business impact. And so when we look at these two aspects, we have a set of individual performance criteria for each of these aspects. So there's 5 aspects for product portfolio attributes and 5 for business impact. And we then evaluate companies on how these individual companies have performed in these individual performance criteria that we have. For instance, when we say product portfolio attributes, we look at things like match to needs, where we look at how the company's products and solutions address current unmet needs, and also more importantly how they address anticipated future needs. And then the other performance criteria we have is quality and reliability, and we look at product positioning strategies, how unique the company's product positioning strategy is, and how difficult it is for competitors to replicate it. And then we look at product design in terms of the innovation that goes on, in terms of the technology leverage. So all these are the different performance criteria we have for product portfolio attributes. But when you look at how all of these aspects then result in a better business performance, is how we evaluate the business impacts. So we look at things like financial performance, customer acquisition potential, growth potential, operational efficiencies, and human capital. So to sum it all up, in terms of coming back to your point about what were the key elements of ZTE that led to it winning the award. So when we analyze ZTE with respect to all of these different performance criteria, well, one of the most interesting aspects we found was ZTE's zero carbon energy network, and it's impressive how it leverages cutting edge technologies like AI and ML and edge computing and all that. But also interestingly, it's the way it's built is quite impressive. It's built on 3 unique layers, 3 functional layers. The first one is the product or the technology layer, where it's embedded a lot of intelligence. Is where it's got the intelligent power distribution, intelligent energy storage, intelligent solar, and things like that. And at the second level is its integrated solutions layer, where it essentially brings together new forms of energy infrastructure. And at the third layer, you have the management layer, which essentially is a management platform that enhances the entire network energy efficiency. So that was one very critical aspect. And if you look at the other aspects, I would say ZTE's Unipower, which is its next generation power supply, intelligent power supply, which again adds quite a lot of value to the end users, to telecom operators. And the other one is its iEnergy, which is an energy management platform. It's a unified cloud energy management platform. And overall, I think it's ZTE's R&D expertise and engineering capabilities, which has led to the company essentially developing products that address the market needs and the evolving needs that are driven by 5G. So I guess these were some of the key elements which led to ZTE winning the award.
I think you've touched on it, but in terms of why the selection elements are important, but just if you expand on that a little bit and give us some insight into the research process and how it works at Frost & Sullivan.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a very important point in terms of, so I guess what you're asking is why are these elements so important, and also in terms of the research process, how we look at the market and where the market is heading towards. So if you look at the DC power, the telecom power market, 5G is I mean, it's no secret, 5G is the main driver, which is driving the market. But the real question is for DC power, what are the underlying aspects that drive the power side of it? So if you look at it, I would say the first aspect is the significant increase in the power requirements and the spectrum requirements, which again is quite the importance of that is again is quite significantly enhanced or improved when you look at the carbon neutrality neutrality megatrends. If you put these two together, I think these are the two critical aspects which I would say are key to consider. And now, well, in terms of what the telecom operators are doing, so they are looking for a solution or a product that would effectively address all of the needs, which are, again, influenced by 5G. And these needs specifically revolve around things like seamless capacity expansion, optimized energy efficiency, optimized energy usage, simplified operation and maintenance, reduction in OpEx, deploying green solutions, essentially embedding intelligence to improve the overall network energy efficiency and the overall management, optimized network management. So they are telecom operators are actively seeking out or pursuing technologies that would not only enhance the overall network energy optimization and efficiency, but also the solutions would also help with them addressing the carbon reduction, things like that. So I think ZTE is in a really good place, in a position to offer products that actually do both. So I think that's the direction the industry is heading towards, and I think ZTE is in a good position to address that.
Oh, great. That's great. Thanks very much, Gotham, for your insights.
No, it's a pleasure, Ken. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello, I'm joined today with Vincent from ZTE, and we're on the ZTE stand at Mobile World Congress. Hello, Vincent.
Hello.
Well, first of all, congratulations.
Yeah.
You won the Frost & Sullivan Award 2021, Telecom Product Power Award. Maybe you can just tell us a little bit about your future plans to reduce telecom power and reduce carbon.
Okay, thank you for your question, and really thanks for your congratulations. Actually, we are honored to receive this award, the Global Telecom DC Power Products Leadership Award. And with the implementation of ZTE neutrality strategy, and ZTE proposed an end-to-end green solution, we call it a Green Pilot, and which is based on the concept of zero carbon network energy. And this solution has been presented at this year's Mobile World Congress. And the Green Pilot solution is end-to-end solution to benefit the telecom customers in all scenarios, all circles, and all intelligence. And it includes the green energy, the green data center, and the green base station. And we hope be able to provide our customers and partners with a flexible green ICT solution, such as from the rural area to the urban center, and saving the capex and OpEx. So Green Pilot solution can help the partners to maximize the network energy efficiency by improving the management of the energy, and also by using the AI and the big data technology to improving the utilization efficiency of energy. So I think thanks the Frost Sullivan for recognizing the ZTE leadership in the telecom energy, and behind this is the ZTE long-term persistent investment in the innovation. Currently, we have more than 500 patents in the green research, and we will keep increase the research and development to seek more breakthroughs of technologies. And as you know that ZTE is an end-to-end ICT solution provider, and the carbon neutrality is one of our core strategies. And at the driver, we call us a driver of digital economy. The strategy is to using the digital innovation technologies from 4 dimensions, including the green ICT, the green industry enabling, the green operation, and the green supply chain to realize the carbon neutrality target.
Yes. And can you tell us a little bit about which vertical industry sectors you're targeting with your carbon reduction products?
Yeah, this is a good question. I think we will focus on the sectors such as telecom, of course, the telecom itself, and also have the power, the metallurgy, and the manufacturing for this sector to help them reducing the carbon emission by using the digital technologies. For the telecom itself, for ourselves, the sector, we will provide operators with upgrade hardware and solutions to so that greening the ICT infrastructure, such as the base stations and data centers. For example, ZTE Power Pilot solution can dynamically meet the base station resource to reduce the power consumption, resulting in overall 30% of the power saving. And for the power sector, ZTE solution can use the low latency performance of 5G network to realize the all-weather condition intelligent perception for the power grid terminal. And also we can use the 5G network slicing to dynamically optimize the power dispatching. And also for the metallurgical industry, we cooperated with the China Mobile and Yunnan Shenhua Alumina Group to set up a green smart factory. We use the 5G combined with the MEC, the cloud edge computing, and the intelligent brain of this factory to monitor and control all the production data so that it improves the production efficiency and to reduce the power consumption, which is more than 90 million kilowatt hours per year. And for the manufacturing, actually through the technologies such as the 5G, the digital twins, and the edge computing, we can help our manufacturing partners to improve to monitor and optimize the network energy, the energy utilization, and to help them to reduce the carbon emission, and also to help them to, such as the supply chain management. And I think these sectors, the detailed case and the more further research can be read in our white paper in collaboration with Sullivan. And we all know that the carbon emission reduction is quite a long-term task, which requires the joint efforts of all the stakeholders. So ZTE currently works extensively with all our partners to actively promote the carbon emission reduction, and we strive for zero carbon society. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vincent, for the update on ZTE innovation around power reduction, which is, of course, so important for everyone. And
yes.
Congratulations on the award again.
Yes,
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.